This is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. I am officially done with my 2017 December documented book, and when I flipped through it the first time, everybody wanted to see what it looked like finished. So I've already showed you guys 2016. So in this particular book I have 2016 and 2017. So I'm going to just flip through 2017 because I'm already done with 2016. And I'm going to link the other one down below just so you can see what 2016 is. So I always start with, my Decembers always start with this type of a photo that I can start to wear my socks in the house because I absolutely love these. I can only wear them during the winter time. And December is about, when we're in Georgia here, December is about when it does. So this was done last year. This does have a process video. And then as I'm flipping through, I'm going to try to clean up here just quickly so that you can see. Okay, this one's also got a process video. Everything in this one, I will tell you which ones I don't, but for the most part, all of these do. And this one is a Missy Wooden inspired process video. It's when we go and do the bonfire and get to see Santa Claus come, and it's kind of like the Christmas season starting. And this is normally like November 30th or the 29th, and it's always put on by the installation where we live at. And then this is Niklaus. This was already done. This is, oh yes, it does have a process video, and it's where we put out our boots, and then it's a German tradition that I've explained before, but it's literally telling you if it's good or not. Most of the time you get fruits and small little things for that, and I've kept that tradition going. And then it's always about our coffee cups. And this one is what the coffee cup looks like. I did a bunch of puffy stickers on it, and then I just laced down tons of different little things here and did a backing of tissue paper, and then did a bunch on it. So that's that one. And then this is my daughter drinking her coffee, her first hot cocoa for the season. And I did a cup file from the cut shop and stuff for my stash, and just made it pretty nice and light and easy. So I just got done with this one. This one was my theme for this year for the 12 days of Christmas memories. And this one was my lights. And this one, there is a process video. This was done this year. It's all super gorgeous. It's got little things of all of my stash. And then I do have little photos in here that I just didn't want to have to do another layout for. So I did it up nice with Fall of Laws collection. And these are just little things out at the south. The lights, lights of the south. Or south of the lights, something like that. And then this was of Kaylin seeing Santa Claus for that year. And then this is her Christmas concert. And then I did up these little things here in the middle just because I didn't want to have to do up all these. We got a lot of photos. See, the one thing that is different from this 2017 versus like 2018 is 2017, her teacher was absolutely amazing. She took so many photos. It's unreal. And then this year, her teacher isn't as photogenic, so I don't have as many photos as I did this year, or this particular year. And then this was my lights. Again, this is back home of my mom and my grandma, her mom, and it's just lights. This house, I explained in the other video, but I'll explain it. You have to donate, and then you can walk through their yard, and there's tons of stuff. Huge thing. I love it. This was done this year for our 12 days of Christmas as well, of Christmas memories, and this is the snow. And the snow that we got that stuck around is right here, but literally it came down and then it melted. And then this is Santa cookies. These are our sugar cookies that we make. And this is new as well for this year. And then this is the scones. I got to make the scones yet, which will probably be tomorrow morning I'll do up. But I got to make my scones yet. And they're the cranberry ones. And just memories of family traditions of making cookies and stuff. Here is our PJs. And this was the one that, as I said in the other video, this was my first layout that got published for the December layout. And here is the letter from Santa. This is what she wrote to. And then on the back, I always have what is written there. And I keep it, and it just comes in here. I don't want any decor on it. It's just there. And then this is Santa coming that night. I do take a picture of it and then put it in there as well. And I did that this year too. And then I changed this up. So this used to have rolled paper, and I didn't like the bulk of it. I just didn't like how the layout looked at all. So I took it down and made it more flat, and I like this so much better. So this I changed out, and I have no issue doing this. This is a tradition. I just did this. It's a tradition where we put down like magic flour that turns into snow, and it stays, it doesn't melt, so that she can see that Santa came. And there is my footprint. I put on my boots, and then my daughter came down early and looked at the gifts before she came and got me, and I happened to snag that photo. And this is her favorite gift of last year that she got. And this has got a process video. And then Boxing Day, the day after Christmas. This is when we all went out and did a bunch of Boxing Day. It's a tradition that's in Canada, Europe. When did I make oh, this was a hop to start out December. So I was able to finish it with that one. That's got a process video too. And then this is New Year's Eve when we go hang out with some friends and we hop around till the new year. The boys are playing games and that kind of stuff. Us girls just played around, danced. And then I always take a photo of the new year and just kind of put it up. So that is the layout or the book. It's not too chunky. It's just right, of 2 years. So now for 2018, I'm hoping to do 2018 and 2019 in the same book. I did take more traditional type photos, and I did more this year than I've done in the past. And it just depends on the year. I don't do stuff every day, but it just all depends on what happens. And this year we had sparkles, so that's going to be in its own album. Now that I did do every day up until the 23rd. I had the elf go back to help Santa today, so she like floated away today. But that is it. Leave me down a comment of which tradition that you like to see throughout this, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.